How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Let's Talk Speed, to another episode of the Mark 1 build. Now, in the previous episode of the introduction of the Golf, I said that the clutch cable right here needs to be changed because it's semi-snapped on me and we do not have full clutch on the car. Now we're going to be changing that out for a new one, as you can see, all sealed and ready to go. Open that out, remove this clutch cable and put in the new one. But first, the spare shop, the guy said you have to somewhat lubricate this. I don't understand how. It's supposed to be pre-lubricated from factory, but yeah, we're gonna try it anyway. We have some lube spray and let's get cracking. Alright, so first up, location of the cable. Now, as you can see, for the new spec Citi Golf that we get here in SA, it starts there, opposed to the older Golfs that feeds through the firewall and onto the clutch pedal. There's a little gadget ratchet contraption thing there where it does connect to the end here, all the way around down onto your gearbox. Alright, so clutch cable. What we're gonna do first is get this clutch cable out and lubricate it, as they said. I don't understand why, but do as we are told, they say. I don't understand how it's gonna fit in this little hole, but we shall try. So, lubrication spray. Let's see how this is gonna work. Okay, so after we've lubricated the crap out of this clutch cable, it's time to remove the old one and get the new one ready. So from the bottom, just let's loosen this whole thing out. Alright, so now you just push up and there's a little, if you see there's a little bracket there. You push down and just slide that out, and that fell, and these two pieces will come out. So the cable feeds through here and it clamps it in place. So goes through here, clamps it in place, and then you lift up. Slide it out there, and yeah, as you can see, the remains there's a lot of shavings from this, and as you can see, this is what happened. It literally started unraveling itself, snapped, and that's why we were getting less clutchage, if that's what you want to say. So as this Chris Fix says, out of the old, in with the new. Now the exact opposite of what you just did now. So we go in there, if it ever would. Right, I thread it through there, and now you take this rubber and obviously Try to feed the damn thing through. We're in, and you put that down and through, and just get that back underneath like there. Alright, so after a lot of poking and prodding and pulling and pushing, it's sort of in place. I just needed to loosen it up at the bracket here a little, just to get a little bit more room in, and remove this little rubber here because it wasn't really helping, because this cable is slightly shorter than the previous. So you take your little bracket holder thingies and from the under push it in place, right? And then this will go that way, and push down, pull up, and yeah, there we go, in place. It is now in. So now we pull up and adjust clockwise to bring it tight. All right, so now that that's done, let's go inside and see if it's working. Hopefully it is. And we got some, oh, that's good. That's actually very, very soft. Start him up. We have first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Lovely. All right, now to recap: undo there, pull it out, undo at the bottom, pull it out, your old one will come out. Thereafter, get your new one in, clip it in there. Do not push it into the rubber grommet at the back just yet. Thread it down, threads all the way up, push your cable through, clamp it, then push your rubber grommet in, tighten it up, and you're done. You have clutch again. Right, hope you guys found this helpful and useful, and remember, stay tuned for regular updates on the Citi Golf restoration build. Hit that like button, share, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.